Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel ABAP Genius. In today's video, we will be discussing about another type of join which is supportable in CDS views. In our previous videos, we have discussed about inner join, left outer join and right outer join. In today's video, we will be discussing about the cross join. So let me quickly create one CDS view. CDS cross join. Let us select the template, define view entity and click on finish. So what is this cross join means? This cross join will be rarely used and in very minor scenarios. And how does cross join work means? If we have one table, let me write it down. Table 1 has 10 records and table 2 has 5 records. So if we do the cross join on these two tables, table 1 and table 2, then totally it will get 50 records. That means 10 into 5, which results in the 50 records. And how it will do is, for every entry in table 1, this is the first entry, and it will be going to the table 2 with the first record and the same entry in table 1 with the second record, table 1 entry with the same record with the table 2 third record. So all the entries in table 2 will be joined. So first record will have 5 records and table 1 second record will have 5 records. So for every record it will get into the number of records the table 2 has. Simply it will multiply. For example, if table 1, for better understanding table 2, it is A1, A2, A3, and we have B1, B2 and B3. So table 1 A1 record will form the join with table 2 B1 record. This will be the first entry, and the same A1 will go for B2 and the same A1 will go with B3. That means all the records it will form the join, and first entry will have 3 records, and similarly it is for A2 and B1, A2 and B2, A2 and B3, and second row will have again 3 records, and A3 will have A3B1, A3B2 and A3B3, and it also forms 3 records. So it will be multiplication of number of records in table 1 and table 2. 3 3 is a 9. So this is how the cross join will works, and we don't need to have a common field between two tables here, since we don't have any on condition available in the cross join. And these cross join we won't be using in many of the cases. Only tax related information, those type of minor cases, we will be seeing the cross join. One of the scenario is if an employee has some type of alliances and package, and we will be doing like one of the table will contain the employee with HIA alliance and all, and the second table will have cost CTC and some other variable pay like information, and each entry will be multiplied with the another table entry, which will result in the total CTC per employee. In some of the scenarios like that, we will be using this cross join. So let us write how it looks in terms of syntax. Simply we have to use cross join, and here I am using KNA1, and we have to give the fields in the field list. So I have retrieved two fields. Let us activate our CDS view and run this CDS view. Okay, we have got around 17,480 records. If we have understood the criteria like the functionality of the cross join, we can just check these VBAK and KNA1 entries, and if we multiply both the records, then these values should match. Let us check once. So let us go to VBAK table. If you do control plus click, it will navigate to the corresponding entity. So here let us run VBAK table. Okay, we have many entries here. Okay, number of entries are 40 in VBAK table. And now let us go to KNA1 table. Now let us execute this KNA1 table also. And here number of entries is 437. So if you multiply 40 with 437, it will give you the result which we got 17,480. So this is how the cross join will work, and this is the one type of join which is available in our CDS views. Hope this video is useful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to this channel for more useful content.